head of Royal House of Tripura and Tipramotha Party founder Pradyot Manikya has strongly favoured deportation of Myanmar and Bangladesh nationals from Northeast region. Pradyot, who attended as a special invitee at the observance of the International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples at City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal, was speaking to media on the sidelines of the event. The event was organised by Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur under the aegis of Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum (NEIPF) on the theme Indigenous Peoples' Right to Self-Determination, a pathway for food security and sovereignty. Speaking further, Pradyot Manikya Barman demanded Special Intensive Revision (SIR) in entire northeastern states to check inclusion of illegal immigrants in electoral rule. He said that national parties should not be allowed to take undue advantage of the Manipur crisis, while expressing his solidarity to it. Continuing that indigenous communities in the state must come into a negotiating table to resolve the crisis. He added that no outside parliamentarians from Northeast will not solve the matter. He also said that Prime Minister and opposition leader should stop doing politics on Manipur issue.
Breeding ground for illegal migrants. And if you want to trust the people of India, you have to first trust the indigenous people of North. Then you trust people from Bangladesh. If Donald Trump can handcuff Indians and send them from New York to Punjab, then why can't we do this with Bangladesh and Myanmar? They are not Indians, so we have to send them from India to another country, to the country where they came from. So the government of India has to be uniform, and that's why I've asked for SIR, not only in Bihar, but in the whole of India, which includes the North. I think both the Prime Minister and the Leader of the Opposition should come together and stop playing politics. Because after all, only 2 Lok Sabha seats. They should save Manipur, they should save Northeast, they should save India first, and they should not look at it from a political point of view. Both of them should come together and solve the problem. Playing politics in the parliament will not help the people of Manipur. Today, everybody is poor, everybody is denied, everybody is persecuted, and the real people who are playing politics with you are sitting very comfortably in there.
On the other hand, addressing the program, Pradyot Manikya Barman has made strong advocacy for ownership and wise use of the resources in Northeast states by indigenous people. Speaking further, the head of Royal House of Tripura expressed disappointment on the lack of unity among the indigenous people and communities in the Northeast region, stating that they should join together and collectively work towards progress. While highlighting that the people from Northeast states are being treated stepmotherly by the mainland Indians, he also expressed happiness on the integration of the people of Northeast region, which have been united in the national level. Emphasizing the vital need for holding power by the indigenous people of the Northeast, even if outside forces attempted to divide between them, he said leaders should work for next generations, although politicians only work for next election. Pradyot went on to stress on the Manipur issue, stating that the indigenous people in Northeast region must arrive at the state without fear and show solidarity. He also said that it is high time for Northeast indigenous people to ponder and sort out strategies to build unity among themselves. The function was also attended by Lamlai AC MLA KH Bomcha, Tripura's Ramchandraghat AC MLA Ranjit Barman, NEIPF Chairman Anup Chetia, IPFM Vice President Rohan Philem, former UNLF Chairman RK Megan, and Ministry of Minority, Government of India Advisor Amrik Singh Palwa, among others who attended the function.
Manipur, Tripura are ancient kingdoms. We were independent kingdoms. We merged in India in 1949, not in 1947. The Federation of Khasi Jaintia states around the same time. But what have we learned about Northeast? Our school books teach us about Cherrapunji as the wettest place, one-horned rhinoceros. Nobody teaches about Veer Tikendrajit. Nobody teaches us about the Battle of Saraighat. Nobody teaches us about Rani Gaidilu. Nobody teaches us about the Maharajas of Tripura. Today we are dictated in our education books, we are dictated by what others want us to learn. How do you kill your next generation when you don't give them information about your own identity? We have so many politicians, including me myself. What is my achievement? Winning an election or ensuring that my next generation knows more about our ancestors, our history, our heritage, our identity? But no, we are fighting on every other subject but that of our survival. You want to kill a community, you don't have to shoot them. Just take away all the information that the children know about their ancestors, their identity, their language. The choice is yours. I have changed myself. When I was young, I wanted to be a successful leader, politician. Today, I don't care about politics. I want to give something to my people.